guys, Tim Cook back here from All Seasons Maintenance. Today we are going to talk about regular routine generator maintenance. I got my 3000 watt Champion there and my no-name digital inverter 1000 watt camping generator right there. So we are going to run them, just test all the outlets in it, make sure everything's running good, because the worst time to have to start a generator for the first time in 2 years is when you have a power outage. So I try about every 2 months to run it, both of them, because they pull hard, they start hard, but they run well. And there's nothing worse than if you've left it for 2 years, it's all gummed up in the carburetor, nothing wants to start. So I think one of the major preparedness tips is it's great to buy what you need, but you need to make sure it's going to run when you need it. So we've got these generators here. Like I said, about every 2 months I do it. Right now I seem to be running about every 3 months. Last time I did it was February 15th. So yeah, just hang in here with me. I'm going to start each one up. You will see exactly how easy or hard each one is to start. We'll run them, we'll test a few things, and we'll come back and talk again. Okay, so we'll come in here a little bit. I'm sure it's loud in the background, but just follow your starting instructions. Make sure you choke it to start. Make sure the choke is closed. It's set to on. It's primed if it needs it. And just pull it a few times. I always try to put some seafoam in it as a fuel stabilizer, and it works great. So now we're gonna go set up again over there. We'll test each plug, let them run for 15 minutes, burn the old gas out of the carburetor, then we'll shut them down, and we'll repeat it in 2 or 3 months. Okay, so not so bad. They're a little loud, but that's okay. Like I said, routine maintenance. Actually, these started wonderfully this time, might because it's a little bit warmer. They tend to, this is an unheated garage. So in the wintertime, it might not hurt to run them a little more often. Once a year, I do some serious maintenance, change out the fuel filter, clean the air filter, change out the spark plug, change the oil. If there's any gas in it, I run the entire tank through and then put fresh in. But other than that, this is what I do about every 2 to 3 months, and it keeps them running. So when and if we have a nasty ice storm, a nasty thunderstorm, we lose power for a day or even a couple of hours, we're all set. So 2 is 1, 1 is none, and 3 is a guarantee. I've got both these, and I also have an inverter that I can run off the truck, and so it pays to be prepared. Just wanted to give you a little look into what I do for regular maintenance on the generators to make sure they're going to run well when we need them. Anyway, take care, guys. Stay happy, stay healthy. Have a great week.